What do the attorneys and the litigants do while waiting for the jury to return their verdict? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now imagine the scenario. Your case has gone to trial. The jury has now gotten the law from the judge and they're now back in the jury deliberations room. What do the attorneys do and what do the litigants do while waiting for the jury to return a verdict? You want to know the answer? They do absolutely nothing, figuratively and realistically. The reality is we have to wait until the jury comes back from their deliberations. We have to wait for them to reach a verdict. So now, if we expect that the case is going to go on for the entire day, what we can do in some instances is give the court our contact information, and now we can go locally, within a few minutes drive or walk from the courthouse. And this way, if the jury returns a verdict, the court will notify us and then we'll immediately come back. But beyond that, we're not going to be able to leave the courthouse or leave the local area. We're going to have to sit in the courthouse, we're going to have to sit in the courtroom, and now try and do something. We're going to read, we're going to do some other type of work. We're going to be on our iPhones or on our laptops doing some type of work. And what I always encourage my clients to do in that instance is bring a newspaper, bring a book, bring something to do, because you will be sitting around waiting on pins and needles. And that's a waiting game. And the same exact thing happens for the defense attorneys. They have to go through the same exact process, and their clients are waiting around, anticipating and waiting for the jury to come back with their verdict. So in reality, there's not a lot to do while you're waiting for the jury to come back, because you're constantly preoccupied thinking, okay, what's going to happen if the jury comes back with this verdict? What if they come back with a different verdict? What are the next steps I have to take? What do I have to do to protect my client? And all these things are going on in the back of my mind, but at the same time, you try and be productive while waiting, and it could be for a few minutes, it could be for hours, or even possibly even days for the jury to return a verdict. So why do I share this quick tidbit of information with you? I share it with you because nobody gives you this information, and it's so useful and helpful to understand before you ever bring a case. To learn about this beforehand, so now you know what to expect as you get to the trial, and now you're sitting around waiting, how long is this going to take? What do I do in the meantime? You know, I realize you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.